Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today we're going to be fixing a lighter or 12 volt socket on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Now you can see when I turn on the lights, the red ring around it works. However, if I press on the lighter and hold it, nothing basically happens. Now this thing is broken ever since I got the car, but now it's time to fix it, since it can be used for charging a phone or something like that. Now you can see that the purple light on this charger doesn't light up. We're gonna do this properly. First, let's test out the socket just to make sure that we are not getting the power to it. And you can see that my test light doesn't light up. Since there is one more 12 volt socket in the trunk, we're gonna test it as well, just to make sure that those two things aren't connected. And you can see that this one right here works properly. Logically, you would think that fuse for cigarette lighter would be under the dash. However, that's not the case here. The fuses for both 12 volt sockets are located under the hood in this box. So I'm just gonna undo these two Phillips screws. The fuses that we are interested in are the fuse 85 and 86. I'm not really sure which fuse is for which 12 volt socket, but I'm gonna check them both. Right now I can just pull up the lid. Alright, here are the two fuses that I was talking about. As I just said, I'm not really sure which one is for which socket, and you can see they are numbered right here at the lid, 85 and 86. I'm just gonna pull them out using my pliers, but you can also use this yellow piece as well. I'm gonna pull out the top one first, and this one seems to be good. I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, but this fuse is not burned. Now let's check out this bottom one. And this fuse is bad. Let me see if I can show it to you. There it is. You can see that the connection is broken. So basically it seems to be that our only issue here is the fuse. I'm gonna grab another 15 amp fuse and I'm just gonna put it back. I'm gonna put the lid back and we're gonna test it out. Before I plug anything in, I'm gonna use my test light to see if we got the power and if the fuse solved the issue. And as you can see, we are getting the 12 volts here. Now since we get the power, of course the lighter as well as that USB charger is gonna work. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing.